After months of anticipation, Oneplus has finally unveiled its first foldable phone, the Oneplus Open. This book-style foldable takes on competitors like the Google Pixel Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It may not be as slim as the Honor Magic V2, but it's lighter and slightly thinner than Google and Samsung's offerings. Plus, it features an alert slider. The Oneplus Open boasts a 6.3-inch smartphone screen on the outside and a 7.8-inch 2K OLED folding screen on the inside. The aspect ratio falls between Samsung and Google's external displays, while the folding screen is more square-shaped compared to the Pixel Fold. Exciting stuff, the Oneplus Open features LTPO3 technology on both panels, offering a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The inner panel drops to 1 Hz and the outside display drops to a respectable 10 Hz. With a peak brightness of 2,800 nits, both panels shine bright, especially in high brightness mode at 1,400 nits. The smartphone screen is protected by ceramic guard, claimed to be 20% tougher than Gorilla Glass Victus. The folding display has ultra-thin glass, TPU protection, and an anti-reflection screen protector. While it doesn't have the same IPX8 water resistance as Google and Samsung, it does have an IPX4 rating for splash resistance. So, be careful around the pool. That remind me, there was a time when my friend got a brand new phone and was super excited to set it up. But guess what? They accidentally dropped it in a bucket of water right after unboxing it. It was like a phone baptism. Thankfully, they were able to dry it out and it still worked. But it definitely made for a memorable phone setup experience. Have you ever had any funny moments with a new phone? If you do, tell me in comment section. Under the hood, the Oneplus Open packs a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. It's fueled by a 4,805 mAh battery with 67W wired charging. Sadly, wireless charging is not available. But hey, at least Oneplus includes a bundled wired charger. In Europe, you'll get a 67W charger, while in the US, it's an 80W adapter. Just note that the charger has a USB-A port, not USB-C. It's great that Oneplus includes a charger in the box, unlike Google and Samsung. The Oneplus Open has an impressive triple rear camera system that looks great on paper. It features a 48MP Sony LYTIAT808 main camera with OIS, which could make it the first Android device to use an LYTIA camera sensor. Despite its smaller size of 43 inches, Oneplus claims that the main camera sensor on the Oneplus Open delivers image quality on par with larger sensors like the IMX989 and Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200MP sensor. We'll definitely put the camera to the test and see how it performs. The Oneplus Open has a 64MP 3x telephoto camera with OIS and a 48MP ultra-wide lens. Oneplus claims the telephoto lens can achieve 6x in-sensor zoom and 120x zoom, but image quality might not be great at such high zoom levels. Additionally, there's a 20MP selfie camera on the foldable screen and a 32MP selfie shooter on the smartphone panel. You can even take selfies using the rear cameras with the help of the cover display. The Oneplus Open runs on Oxygen OS 13.2 skin with Android 13, offering a variety of features optimized for the larger screens. You'll enjoy multi-window and split-screen support, resizable windows, multi-app presets, drag and drop sharing, and a taskbar. Plus, Oneplus promises 4 major OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Notable features also include Bluetooth 5.3, reality speakers, a side fingerprint scanner, and Wi-Fi 7. Oneplus Open pricing and availability. Foldable phones can be quite expensive, and the Oneplus Open is no different. In the US, you can expect to pay $1,699 for the 16GB/512GB model. You have the option to choose between Emerald Dusk with a matte glass back or Voyager Black with a pleather back. You'll be able to purchase the device from Amazon, the Oneplus website, and Best Buy. That's a bummer. The Oneplus Open isn't available through carriers, which is unfortunate for those who prefer contracts and subsidies. However, the company is compensating with a fantastic trade-in offer for any smartphone. On the bright side, the foldable phone will be available in Europe, €1,799. India, ours $139,999. Canada, Chia $2,299. And the UK, £1,599.
I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm